really just wanna see you. Oh, Chongqing. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Skyscrapers touch the sky so blue. Neon lights and city hues. Mountains and buildings all around. Just don't look down. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Neon light glows, the river flows. In the city, life just grows from the views we see. Chongqing, wild and free. Hey, hey, Chongqing. Hey, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Show me, show me, show me. Show me, show me, Chongqing. Chongqing, I wanna see you, Chongqing. Oh, show me, Chongqing.
We are in Chongqing, and there's a train line right there on the river, and we're just kind of walking along this park kind of in the mountainside, and there's actually traffic moving up there, but our pedestrian street moves along the riverfront walk, and there's a train line that you could actually move along very quick as well if you would prefer that. And we're just going to do the river walk and kind of see what we can see, and give you a little slice of Chongqing. There's some buildings up there too, and yeah, just such a cool city. Chongqing, China, one of my favorite cities in all of China. So Chongqing, this particular one, I'm gonna be in kind of this, I'm 100% in the city, like right in the middle of the city, and there's just so much mountains and foliage and just kind of cool stuff that you just completely do not expect. And you can see it from the map, and I also got the lyrics, so you can see the lyrics that I have as well about Chongqing. I created that with AI, and I also have a lot more Chongqing videos to upload, so subscribe, because I'm going to be putting up another one about every 5 days approximately. And let's get right into this one with a walk and talk. Chongqing, baby. It's not really fair of me to do this video without really giving you an idea where we are. So we're in Huanghua Yuan Station. And there's people walking to the train station right there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow this river walk and see where it goes. Looks like we got a quiet path there and a little bit busier path, but not really that busy. But we're going to walk it, take it. I like that black and white tiles. Let me show you what it looks like. Actually, you can see like a bus going over the bridge right there, and I can see the train line through the distance way over there as well. So we're kind of in this spot where there's things moving along around us, and over there you see the bus up on the bridge, and there's cars that you can slightly hear as well, but we're surrounded by all these trees, this nature, a lot of oxygen. Like I can just feel the oxygen flowing into my blood. And you know, I don't know, I think Chongqing should have a pollution problem like other parts of China, but it's definitely not like that while I'm here now, and especially not when I'm surrounded by this many trees. There goes the train right there. So we're going to come into this park briefly, and I'll try to get a view, and then we're going to continue down. Okay, so now we're going to get this view of the water down here. Oh, okay. It's like exercise stuff down here. There's actually some traffic that flows down by the riverside, and then now you can see the river as well. And the train line is right there as well, and we got a little dog that's coming to see what we're doing as well. Hey, buddy. And I think we're going to see a train go through here in a moment, but oh look, we've got a photographer here, so she's probably going to take some photography shots of the trains coming through, maybe. So we're going to try to capture the train when it goes through, but short of that, we're just going to walk down further along our path here. Okay. So kind of meandering by. There's a train right there. So now you can hear it and see it, but the trees maybe block it a little bit. Anyways, it's there. Oh, looks like there's a way to go underneath now over here as well. So maybe I'll just. There's a station right there, Chongqing UN station. So that's only 300 meters. I will probably see another train station maybe up here. And that's actually a way to go underneath if you need to get to the other side. And it looks like we're gonna get some kind of cool views up here, so let's check those out. Oh wow, okay. So now I know where we are. So the train station, this actually leads all the way into this tourist area. And we just have to go all the way down to this space down here. There's a train line as well. And so they're all going up. Check out that apartment. And that's it. So that's Raffles Hotel way down there in the distance. It's at the edge of the peninsula. And then there's also a big, beautiful orange bridge. That's the skyline that you can see from this side. More of the skyline. There's another bridge over there, white bridge. And then this is that little riverwalk side that we took. That's my umbrella. Come around the side. And I guess next we're going to be walking up these stairs. Yeah, that was kind of cool. So this is a little bit of a river walk, and we're just going to walk up a little bit of these steps and get some good views, and also from the side like this too. That looks really cool. You got these tall buildings as well. And we got these nice views as well. So we're going to try to go across.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, how are you guys?
Hello. I'm Chinese.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Chinese. Welcome to China.
Thank you so much.
Where are you from?
I'm from American.
Oh,
Thank you. Thank you so much. I like Chinese people, really friendly and kind. So we're gonna go all the way up this way, and I kind of want to check out this monument as well. Hello. How are you guys? Hello. So let me just kind of see what this is. Okay, so this is called the Shenzhen H6 Trail, and it's in this district, Hongbei Road. Okay, Hongyang Village. Okay, so that's a little bit of information about it, and this is kind of the distance of the whole trail. So it actually goes, I don't know how many kilometers it is, but it goes all the way down to here. There it is, 10 kilometers. So this is actually a footpath. Mountain trail is full length, almost 11 kilometers. So that's what this is. So now we got a taste of it anyway. So that's 11-kilometer long trail. And on that note, we're gonna end our video. So.
Hey, 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 Chongqing.